let's meet all of the components for this Socket 7 retro build, shall we? The floppy drive is a regular TEAC 1.44 meg drive. The CD drive is this AOpen CDRW drive that works very well. The hard drive is a Seagate Metalist 3.2 gig drive that will be replaced with a compact flash card in the future. The video is provided by the ATI Rage 2, and the sound card is a Sound Blast AW64 with very nice DAW support. The motherboard has been discussed in a previous video, but here's another shot from it. Of course, we have 3 ISA slots, 4 PCI slots for all the expansion we'll ever need, 24 megabytes of EDO SIMs, and of course a Pentium 166 MHz processor underneath this colorful blue heatsink, all in the ATX form factor, so compatible with any modern case. The case that I will be using in this build is this HP Vectra VL600 based case. It is old, it is yellow, it looks horrible, but it's sturdy as all hell and it's very modular. Let's take a look at it right now. As you can see, if you pull down on the tab on the side panel, you can lift it out easily, so it's very easy to take apart. It's very clean inside as well, with this Antec power supply just dangling there. If you take off the front faceplate, you will see a lot of green tabs. These are used to remove the trays from the case. The top case, or the top tray I should say, is from the floppy drive. You can install a floppy drive there if you remove the faceplate from the floppy drive itself. You just pull on the tabs and you can pull it out. It's that simple. Same goes for the optical drive trays. You can mount any 5¼ inch drive in these, and there are 3 available for expansion. Very nice. Installation of hard drives is very easy. Remove the drive cage like so, and now we can install 2 3.5 inch drives. The bottom part of this cage actually supports anti-vibration mounting using the rubber grommets or rubber mountings there. Very nice. Once we put the drives back in, slide the tray back in, and you're done. Very simple. The first step in making this Socket 7 build happen is preparing the drives that we're going to be using. This floppy drive has a black front. We do not need this, so we're going to take it off, because the case itself already has a bezel on it. There we go. That is one bezel-less floppy drive. Very nice, very industrial looking, isn't it? Now, we need to mount it upside down. At least it looks upside down. No, we actually need to mount it upside down, okay. Just need to figure out how to put it in here. Nope, I was right anyway. Put it in this way. It actually snapped into place. And yeah, it's already secured. Nothing else we need to do. Good to go. The next drive on our list is the optical drive. You can slide it in the tray, line up the screws like so, and put the screws in place. There we go. I know I should be using a Phillips head screwdriver, but I don't care. There we go. I need to use this particular type of screw because otherwise it will not fit in the tray of the case. So that is the optical drive done. Like I said in the intro of this video, the drive tray of this HP Vectra case has, you know, rubber on the bottom of the cage in order to reduce vibration as much as possible. So we're going to be using those mounts. We just need to line up the drive with the rubber mounts. And we're going to use special hard drive screws in order to secure them. There we case you don't know what a screw for this looks like. There you can see it has a very small thread and a very big part that is not threaded. The non-threaded part is of course meant to go through the rubber hole, or the rubber anti-vibration mount. And the threaded part is of course meant to go into the hard drive. There we go. The Seagate Medalist hard drive is in place as well. So all the preparations are done for the build. Now we can start putting the motherboard in, and we'll take it from there. Okay, the build is now finished, so now all we need to do is turn it on and see if she works. There we go. Let's switch inputs here. OS load in progress. There we go. MS-DOS. Completely barren install. All it needs now is a copy of Windows and a bunch of games, but that's a completely different story. I will get back to you as soon as Windows is installed and I've got a couple of games to show you guys. Until then, take care. Hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.